Hello, welcome to another episode of Rockstar English. Today I'm going to talk about the comma splice. First of all, what is it? What is this word splice? To splice something means to put two things together. You can slice film. You can take two pieces of old-fashioned, not digital film, and put it together to make one continuous piece. That's a good thing. Comma splices, on the other hand, are not good. It's using a comma to put together two independent clauses. And as we will learn in this video, commas are weak. They're good. They're a good form of punctuation, but they're not strong enough to hold together two independent clauses. So let me show you an example of a comma splice, and then we can talk about some ways to correct a comma splice. So here's an example sentence. Learning English is fun. Here's our comma. I love it. So the comma's in there. These are two independent clauses. How do we know that they're independent clauses? We need to understand parts of speech to understand that. Here's our first subject. We're using a gerund as a subject, learning English. Here's our second subject. Two subjects. Comma is not strong enough to connect two independent clauses that start with two different subjects. So, how can we correct a comma splice? One thing we can do is just put in that stronger form of punctuation. Can you guess? Period. English is fun. I love it. It's not really great because it doesn't show that connection that the comma did. So what form of punctuation can we use to show a connection that is strong enough? Remember, commas are weak. Periods are very strong, shows a separation, but a semicolon shows a connection. And it's easy to remember because it's really a combination of a period and a comma. Big fat comma. Learning English is fun. I love it. We also could make it into a compound sentence. Keeping our weak comma, but putting in the coordinating conjunction and. Then that strengthens our comma a little bit more, and it makes it a complete sentence. Learning English is fun, comma, and I love it. That's all for now. I'll show you some more examples of comma splices later, but just think about this example and see if you understand now what a comma splice looks like and why we want to avoid comma splices. Thanks.